For our design, you're going to be using 4 of the 5 ways, you're going to be using 4 of the 3 ways, and you're going to be using 8 of the 4 ways. You're going to need 40 of the 1 1/4 PVC pipe cut to 58 3/4. We chose this length because it evenly came out of 10 20-foot sections that we bought from the plumbing store. Next, you will need 16 sections of the 1 5/8 on the inner diameter on these pipes here. It's a non-rated pipe that we had left over. The reason we chose this is the 1 1/4 easily slides through and creates a telescoping setup. Laying out the pipe and fittings, as you can see here, is very helpful, so you do not have to run back and forth when you're raising up the frame. As you can see, we started from the middle and worked our way out. Doing so makes it easier for a 1-person to 2-person setup. If you are using the telescoping design, we suggest you take the pipes and put them over each other before assembling it. The height that you see them playing right now is roughly 5 to 5.5 feet tall. This setup is perfect for a mixed age of kids. Now we're going to show you how to make this a 7-foot game using snap clamps. We're using here the 4-foot snap clamps in the 1 1/4, and we're making the cuts. Our cuts were at 11 7/8, and you're going to cut on this side of the line. This is going to be an even amount, so you're going to have 4 sections out of 1 4-footer. All right, after you've finished your cuts, you're going to go ahead and sand down just a little bit on the edge of the snap clamp. As you can see, this one here is very sharp and can kind of catch your clothes. Just with a little bit of sanding, it's a lot cleaner. Another option is using the Pro Series. They're a shorter option, but they have rounded edges already. You can find those on our website. The next step, we suggest fully seating your fittings with a rubber hammer and then screw them into the pipe. Then snap on your snap clamps right below the fitting. We have the Circo Pin that will be coming out soon for this diameter that will replace the screws. For more do-it-yourself videos out of PVC, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you'd like to purchase any of our products or get our free plans, go to www.circoinnovations.com.